In today's video, we're going to talk about lawnmower blades. Taking your lawnmower blade that looks like this into looking like this. After you do this, it's going to cut through anything, even a 12-inch tree. Not really. But I am going to show you the process that I go through to sharpen it from this to this. So let's go for a ride. Let's get right to it. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Levi. We all know that we want a lawn that looks like this. Without sharp lawnmower blades, it just rips the grass apart instead of cutting it. Yes, I am going to suck up all that crap with my lawnmower. That's why I have to sharpen the blades, because I use it like a mulcher. So let's jump on that bad boy and get to mulching. After beating the hell out of the lawnmower blades by mulching and stuff, we gotta pop off these used and abused blades to give them a little fresh look. They got a couple. They got some dingers on them. They got some serious dingers. I don't think that has anything to do with the rocks that I was hitting. Let's get those bad boys off there and sharpen those suckers. It came loose. Don't drop that sucker on you. Well, it's like dropping a butter knife on your finger. Battery's dead. Go figure. I swear, guys, this is the little impact that could. Surprising, this thing packs a big punch. I rarely use my big one because that will break bolts. I screwed up. I forgot to take this piece of metal. This is a fixture table, workbench, welding bench that I'm going to be making. You guys will see. I forgot to take it off of the actual workbench because I went over there and put the lawnmower on the forklift before I moved my stuff. So what you're going to need for this job is a balancer, and you can see this blade is not balanced right now. And she's got some patayas in there, some wackaroos. Yeah, you're going to need a grinder. I got two because I'm going to do 2 different discs, and your sharpening fixture. So let's pop this thing open. I got this off of Amazon, and I'm going to leave links to everything that I'm using. This is, I think it's a exact copy of the name brand one, because they look identical. So let's take a look. These are optional, but I may read them. I'm not real sure. First glance, not too shabby. We got the bag of bolts to go on the grinder. And the fixture itself. I need more room. I gotta move this plate. Yeah, that'll do. Now let's get to putting this thing together. Change of plans. I moved this outside so I didn't make a mess in there. Just do it out here. I just put the lawnmower over there. It was easy. Just but I got this thing mounted right here, and I'm going to now we're going to put the blade in the vise right here. You just kind of tighten her up in here. I loosened up the adjustment screw that's right here. and you can pick your angle. That's nice about that. You can get real aggressive. I'm gonna pick 35 right there. Tighten her up. She don't move. It comes with all these little arms right here, and you got to pick out which one goes in your grinder right here. It just threads in where the safety handle is, or the holding handle. So now I'm going to put a flap disc on it. It's just one of these. It's just like this. I'll leave it in the description of where I got it. I get everything on Amazon. So now we're going to put this on our Milwaukee. This is all mounted, and this arm is a little stiff, so I'm going to get my pocket pliers, my KNIPEX, and I'm going to go ahead and loosen these up just a hair. Much better. Oh, oh, she's a loosey-goosey now. The reason I'm loosening these up is because you don't want any tension. You want this free moving up here so you don't grind into the blade. Before I moved, I had one of these. In the move, I lost it. So once you got this all loosey-goosey, take your shaft and stick it in the hole right here. Now you can practice this a few times, taking this and just kind of going up and down it. Hey, meow meow, what do you think of what's going on? Huh? I go in one motion, just straight. You don't want to be going back and forth. You're going to take off too much material in one spot. So let's let her rip. Try to make smooth strokes. After you get the one side to your liking, do the other side. Then you got to balance it to make sure it doesn't fly off and become a flying sword, or break the shaft that holds it on the bottom of the mower. It will break the shaft if it is out of balance. So it's a very important step. Let's get to it. The reason I'm making so many passes on this thing is because on the back side of the blade, as you can see, there's all these parayas on there where I've ground up trees. Maybe. Probably. And I might be going a little excessive, but I like things sharp. Like a razor that you can shave with. Not really, it's just grass. Now that we've got both sides roughed in, you want to take and see how far out of level this thing is and stick it on this little cone thing. It's just a little cone thing. It balances the blade on it. So let's just go ahead and stick it on there. And as you can see, this side is heavy. We took more material off this side, so now we just got to do it to this side, and we want it to balance in there. Ooh, that's hot still. So let's take a little weight off of this side. Get a little more true. This side has some more dingers in it, so we're going to try to take those out. That's why that side was heavier. It's because I took those out on the other side. So let's finish taking those out. This is pretty easy. My other stand like this wasn't near this smooth. It was used and abused. I say that's pretty balanced. This side is heavier by a little bit. So you'll get some of this scale on there. I'm going to knock that down. You'll see I'm going to use a different disc for that. For the next disc that I'm going to use one of these. It's a COMBICLICK. This is a flat. So this just goes in here, pops on, bam. Now you got a new disc. These are interchangeable. You can put all kinds of grinder discs. They even offer ones that polish it. It's in this kit that I got right there. I'll leave a link in there for you because I use them on everything, and you just buy the little pads. So I'm going to switch, and I'm going to fine tune it. This battery's probably going to die too. Sheesh, that's looking good. Now we just take it out of the fixture and make sure she's level. She's looking pretty good there, boys and girls. What you want is equal distance from here and here. So it looks like we got to take a little bit more off on this side. All right, that's what you want to see. Nice and level. It's not 100% level, but it's good. It's pretty darn good. That's good enough for lawnmower world. Let's do the other one. This second one may be a little bit worse. Check out these dingers. Look at these dingers. Look at them. Look at that. Look at that dinger. Enough jaw jacking. Get to it. Now that we got these sharp as razors, it's time to put it back up under here. Let's put these bad boys back up here and go cut some grass. Hey, where are you? All right, now I'll show you guys the difference between sharp blades and dull blades. Now this here grass, this is happy grass. So go out, sharpen your blades, sharpen your neighbor's blades. Just go cut some grass. Hey, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next adventure. Just go. Happy grass.